feeling disconnected or struggling with intimacy. Hormonal imbalances could be the hidden culprit. Whether you're a woman navigating menopause or a man dealing with low testosterone, these hormonal shifts can impact your sexual health and overall well-being. Let's dive into how to manage these changes and reclaim control. For women, menopause and hormonal changes. During menopause, estrogen and progesterone levels naturally decline, which can result in number 1. Decreased libido. Lower estrogen levels reduce vaginal lubrication and sensitivity, affecting sexual desire. Number 2. Vaginal atrophy. The thinning of vaginal walls can cause discomfort or pain during intercourse. Number 3. Mood changes. Hormonal fluctuations can lead to irritability, anxiety, or depression, indirectly impacting sexual health. Number 4. Sleep issues. Night sweats and insomnia associated with menopause can lower energy levels and interest in sexual activity. Management tips for women. Step 1. Hormone replacement therapy (HRT) can alleviate symptoms like dryness and low libido. Step 2. Lubricants and moisturizers help reduce discomfort during intercourse. Step 3. Lifestyle adjustments, regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management improve overall health and sexual function. For men, testosterone imbalances. Testosterone is a critical hormone for male sexual health. Low testosterone levels, hypogonadism, can lead to number 1. Erectile dysfunction, difficulty maintaining an erection. Number 2. Low libido, reduced interest in sexual activity. Number 3. Mood swings and fatigue. These can affect intimacy and relationships. Number 4. Reduced muscle mass impacts body image and confidence, further affecting sexual health. Management tips for men. Step 1. Testosterone replacement therapy (TRT) helps restore hormone levels but should be monitored by a doctor. Step 2. Diet and exercise boost natural testosterone production and improve energy levels. Step 3. Counseling or therapy address emotional or relationship issues stemming from hormonal changes. General advice for both genders. Number 1. Consult a specialist. Endocrinologists or sexual health experts can help identify and treat hormonal issues. Number 2. Open communication. Discuss changes with partners to maintain intimacy. Number 3. Regular health checkups. Monitor hormone levels and address imbalances early. Understanding your hormones is the first step to better sexual health and confidence. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video.